What's up, big timers? Today we are unboxing the 2021 Hot Wheels C case. If you're looking to get your own Hot Wheels cases, check out granatoys.com. This is where I get all of my Hot Wheels cases, and you can too. Check out the link in the description box below. The treasure hunt for this case is the Dodge van, and the super treasure hunt for this case is the Roger Dodger. Let's go ahead and unbox it. And we'll start it off right at the top right here. We'll grab our first cars right down and check it out. Our first one is the 2020 Jaguar F-Type. We did see this one in the previous case. We've got the Cloak and Dagger, very, very cool looking. And we've got the Hot Wheels Formula Solar, new one of that one. Let's go ahead and see what else we have right here. We've got the Quick Bite. That looks to be the New Year's edition, so we have seen that one before. We've got the Speed Dozer. That's a really cool looking one. Check out Speed Dozer. And the brand new recolor of the Honda Civic Si. Check that one out. It's a very light blue color. I like the chrome spoked wheels on there. Very, very nice looking car. All right, we'll check out what our next ones are right here. We've got Donut Drifter, and it's sitting kind of odd right there. Okay, Donut Drifter doesn't want to get down, so we'll leave him as is, but it's a new color of Donut Drifter. We've got the 70 Volkswagen Baja Bug, and we've got the custom Dodge van. And this one has the Jack of Hearts on the side of it, custom 77 Dodge van. Very, very nice. And what else do we have up here? We've got the Ford GT40. I was really looking forward to this one. Such a cool looking car. Absolutely love it. This is from the Then and Now series. So there is the other, I think it's the Ford GT Race that we get, the recolor of that one, which I already have. And we also have, there is the Volvo 850 Estate, and this one I did find in a 10-pack already, but now we're getting it in the actual case itself. We've got Tricera Truck right here. Check that one out. Cool looking. Very, very nice all around right there. Tricera Truck. All right. What else do we have right here? We've got the Surfin' School Bus. We've got the Rockin' Santa Sled. That's a new color of that one right there. And there you can see the Christmas delivery edition that it's got on there. And we've got the Dodge van right here. The Dodge van. Very, very cool. All right, like that one. And what else do we have up here? We've got the Hot Wheels Ford Transit Connect. We've got the Surf and Turf. And there's another one of those Civic SIs in that blue color. Love it, love it, love it. Love to have multiples of those ones. Very cool. We've got the Party Wagon. There it is, that Party Wagon. We've got the 69 Chevelle. And we've got the Corvette Grand Sport Roadster. This one does come as a super treasure hunt, but that's just the mainline variation of it. And what else do we have right here? We've got the Ion Motors Threshor, and that's from that Fast and Furious Spy Racers Netflix show. And we've got the Linster Prototype, and that looks to be a glow-in-the-dark one. Very, very cool. Look at totally glow-in-the-dark. And we've got the Nash, and this one made famous, obviously, from the Hot Wheels Legends Tour. And also, I've heard rumors that this car is going to be one of the cars that's coming in the Forza Horizon 4 game, which is really, really cool. So we'll have to check out that one in the future on Forza Horizon. There we've got the Roger Dodger 8-Ball edition. That is really cool. Wow, I really like that one. It says Magic 8-Ball on the top of it as well. And there is our Ford GT Race, and this one's the Hot Wheels Speed Graphics edition, so it's not from the Then and Now series, but we do get the Ford GT40, and then we get the Ford GT Race, which is really, really cool. So happy to have one of those. We've got the Hollinator in there. There is the Hollinator from the Xpera Motors series. And what else do we have right here? It looks to be another new one that I haven't seen before. So first we got the El Camino. We've seen that one before. And how about this? The 2017 Nissan GTR R35, now in yellow. Look at that one. Very, very cool. Love to get new recolors of that one. Looking forward to opening that one up. There's one of those Nash cars again. What else do we have down here? Blade Raider right here. Check that one out. Blade Raider. Looks like some sort of matte finish paint job on there. We've got the Pixel Shaker. And we do have the 68 Mustang. That's from that Toon series. We've seen that one before as well. We'll go ahead and put those ones aside. And our last three cars in the first half right here, we've got the head gasket. And I really, really like the head gasket. I was raving about this one when we first saw this one. I think it looks really cool. 69 Chevelle. and the Fig Rig. There we go, Fig Rig. All right, awesome. All right, let's go down to our next half of this case right here. We'll pull out the packaging right here, and let's go ahead and start right up at the top. We'll grab our first ones here. We've got the Diora 3, very cool. We've got the Batmobile and Lethal Diesel. I think those ones we all saw in the previous case. We'll put those ones aside. What else do we have up here? Check it out. There's the Jaguar F-Type and 2 of the 2017 Lamborghini Urus cars. Awesome. Nice to have one of those. We've seen those before, but good to have some more of those ones here. What else do we have? We've got Loopster, and we've got the Heavy Hitcher, and there is the Lancia Delta Intergali. Intergali? I'm sure I say that wrong. All right, there it is, but you see it. All right, let's go ahead. What else do we have here? We've got the Clip Rod. Looks to be a nice new color of the Clip Rod. Very cool. What else do we have right here? We've got the Hotweiler. Look at that, Hotweiler. That's a cool new color of that one. Heavy Hitcher again, there we go. And what else do we have? Porsche 935, I really like this one. That's a really cool one. We got the Twin Mill, also a new color of that one. And there's the Subaru WRX STI. Awesome, love that one. All right, what else do we have here? We've got another one of the 68 Mustangs, another one of those Lancia Deltas, and another Subaru WRX STI. Awesome, 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 awesome. All right, let's see what else we have here. We've got the Batmobile, the Hollinator, and Porsche 935. All right, love to see those ones. Ooh, this is one of my favorites that has come out. Not the Zombot, which is really cool nonetheless, but these Land Rover Defender 90s. I'm really liking those ones. Very, very cool looking cars. Land Rover Defender 90s. All right, what else do we have here? We've got the Zombots, head gasket, and cool combi. There we go. And what else do we have down here? We've got the BMW M3 Gt2, Lethal Diesel, and the Party Wagon. All right. Awesome. And what else do we have? We've got the Corvette Grand Sport Roadster, 89 Porsche 944 Turbo, and the 80 El Camino. All right, we're getting down to our last couple here. Last 3 cars, actually. We've got the Dodge Van. We've got the 89 Porsche 944 Turbo, and last but not least, the BMW M3 GT2. Guys, comment down below which is your favorite car from this case.